in this problem, the driver of the car was given a ticket, and so this is what happened. The driver starts the car from rest, and then 20 minutes later, and the driver traveled 29 miles. So how can the officer conclude that the driver exceeded the speed limit, which is 60 miles per hour? Now we are going to use the mean value theorem for this one. What is the mean value theorem? The mean value theorem says f prime of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, where b and a are the endpoints of an interval, and f is a continuous and smooth function in this interval. The right hand side, this side, means you can think of this as your average speed, because the top here, fb minus fia, is the change in position, and this is the change in time, so it's the average speed. Here, this is the instant speed. So what that means is, geometrically speaking, the right hand side means the slope of this secant line connecting A and B, connecting both endpoints, and the left hand side represents at some point the derivative, which means the slope of tangent line will be parallel to the slope of secant line. In the context of this problem, basically the right hand side is the average speed, and the left hand side is the instantaneous speed. So I'm going to compute the right hand side, because I do know the distance traveled is 29 miles, and the time used was 26 minutes divided by 60, that converted to hours. So let's do the algebra here. I'm going to use my calculator to do the algebra quick. So I got 66.923, so that's about that. So I'm gonna type that in my, I should choose B, because mean value theorem is what we use. And the miles after my calculation, that's 66.92. Obviously, the 66.92 is higher than 60, and according to the mean value theorem, there has to be some time in between A and B that the derivative is 66.92. So therefore we should pick that one. So that's it.